Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Last week, my friend asked me if I could build a PC for under 2000 ringgit for his son who is starting school this week. So today I'm going to show you if it's possible referencing parts that you can get online such as Lazada and Shopee. For the processor, we are going with the Intel Core i3-10100 4-core CPU, which has plenty of power for school use and even for some light gaming with its onboard UHD 630 graphics. Next, we are going with a basic H410M motherboard from MSI, since it comes together with a promo bundle with the processor. For storage, I opted to go with a 256GB M.2 NVMe drive. Alternatively, you can opt for a cheaper SATA SSD, but I think we have the budget here for a much faster drive, 6 times faster that is. And since this is a budget build, you don't really need a performance RAM, but I have one Kingston HyperX Fury lying around, so I'll just use this. The Intel Core i3 processor does come with a stock cooler, so it is not necessary to purchase one. But Cooler Master did send me some coolers for testing, so I'll just put the Hyper T200 for my friend's PC. My friend also mentioned that his internet router is quite far from his son's desk, hence Wi-Fi is required. Here we'll be using the TP-Link AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 PCIe adapter. I'll be using the Thermaltake 450W power supply together with the Techway Nova M case. Last but not least, we have the Fantech Luminous C30 webcam for Google Classroom and Zoom meeting purposes. Now, let's get on to the build. There you have it. The entire build costs just 1671 ringgit. I hope you learned something today and enjoy this video. And if you do, please subscribe and give this video a like. I'll see you guys again in the next one.